Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video, we are going to be doing our eyes and we are going to be trying to do a no makeup look. So don't get me wrong, this has got plenty of makeup involved, but it's supposed to make your eyes to enhance the natural shadows and contours and lift but still look like you don't have makeup on. That's what we're going for. I'm not promising anything just because I've never done this before. So I'm going to be using the Sultry palette. And we're going to start off with our Essence Eye Base. And I don't know, lately I've been feeling like it's not really covering all the purple in my eyes, so hopefully today it will. Maybe it's because I'm doing that cupping thing. But I don't really get it down on my eyelids because I can't get it to stick there. I would. Anyway, oh, that goes in here now. Take my sponge and spread this out. Cover up all that purpliness. Because we don't want purpley. That's not the natural look we're going for. Make sure there's none in the wrinkles. There. It seems to have covered them up. Hopefully it did. Now I'm going to go into my Anastasia Sultry palette and I'm going to use this lightest color right here. And I am just going to set that eye primer. This is going to be a quick video. I always say that, don't I? Well, that's always the plan. 8 minutes or less. I rarely make that. That's the plan. That's what they say you guys like to see. So that's what we're trying for. Okay, now we're going to go in with a different brush. And we're going to do some contour. Some transition. And we are going to go into, twig right here. And I'm just going to put that in the crease. And then pull it up. I'm going to look over here because I don't want it to get too dark. We just want it to look like a natural contour. So I'm putting it in my crease and in here I'm pulling it up high to make it look like that's what color my eye is. And I'm pulling it down kind of low on my lid too. Not all the way. I want to leave just a little bit of lightness. That's kind of what I wanted. That's good. I like that. Start off on the outer in the crease. You want to get a lot of that initial pigment off your brush and then start pulling it up and in. Down part of the way. Just blend, blend, blend. I think I need a little bit more on the second eye. Okay. Now I am going to go in with liner. Actually, I think we're going to put a little on the bottom. Nope. This is supposed to be like natural but better. Or what did I call it? NoMakeup MAKEUP. That's what I called it. So we're done with that. That's only 2 colors. And then I'm going to take my brown liner and I'm going to push line. So basically it's the same thing I always do. Only lighter and no shimmer. And I'm just going to touch between the lashes. And I know I've told you guys this before, but I'm going to tell you again. The reason that I push line instead of tight lining is because when you tight line, it transfers to your bottom waterline. And I do not like color in my bottom waterline. I feel like it closes my eyes up. And it's not natural. So I always push line. But if you like to put color in your bottom waterline, then by all means, this will do it. And if you get some down there, you just take a Q-tip and, oh, a clean Q-tip would be nice. Just take a Q-tip and you just wipe it low. And it comes right off. And I think we're done. Oh, maybe we should do both eyes. And then I'm going to take my flat brush. Did I put something else away? I don't know. Anyways, that's what I need to do. I'm going to take my flat brush and I'm just going to smudge this between the lashes and then up a little bit just so that it is a natural smudgy eyeliner, but it doesn't look like eyeliner because it's just smudged. And then I always try to pull it up a little higher on the outer corner so that it gives it a lift. Just like that. And I may go in with a little bit of eyeshadow in that outer corner just because it still kind of looks droopy. But first I have to finish this. Okay, I think I'm going to take a bigger fluffy brush and just blend this a little more. because we do want to look natural. And then I'm going to take my powder that I used. Actually, we're going to do that last. I'm going to go ahead and put my mascara on. And I'm going to use the So Fierce first. That's 2 coats of the So Fierce, and then I'm going to put a coat of the Lash Princess False Lash Effect. I've seen Jessica Braun say so many times with different mascaras how it holds the curl. Nothing holds the curl on mine. Nothing. I wish I could find one that actually did, but I've tried all those ones she says that she loves this one because it holds the curl so well. Doesn't on mine. Alright, I'm going to wait 1 second and then I'm going to flick off any fallout from my mascara. I always have it. I'm sure it's from my eyelash curler, but you know, I never have time to think about it ahead of time and clean the curler. Alright, now what I was going to do with my powder, wherever I put it, oh I probably put it over here, is just give a little lift on the side with my Cake Bake sponge. This is my Cake Bake sponge. But I'm sure you could use those little wedgie ones too that are way cheaper. I didn't really like this sponge when I got it as just as a makeup sponge, but I really like it for this. I just get it on the wedge and then I go like this. And I get a really nice crisp lift right there. And I love it because it's just enough to, it's so light that you don't really see the line, but it lifts your eye. Lifts your eye. And that's it. That's it for our no makeup eyes. What do you think? I mean, other than the mascara, but that just means you got gorgeous natural lashes. That's all that means. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this on all your social media. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!